Saan pupunta?
Hong Kong.
Ito na yung
I
akyat
whisper in
na
the
mataas.
air, humming softly to the leaving. I see a flame inside me, shining on the speeds of mine. My soul was weakening. I found you. My words now complete.
You're welcome. I will be back. You enjoy. Yan bye-bye.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, going all the way. Going
Nagtatawag lang. Kaya.
Anong problema? Sino may ano? Oh,
Sila yung nag-ingay.
sila. Anong problema? Ba't ang ingay nyo? Okay na? Relax lang ha. Alis na kami. Dito sa Hong Kong anywhere sa street nila pwede ka magkaladkad ng ganyan kalaking maleta. Maganda ng mga sidewalk nila Wala kayo sa Pilipinas. Hindi uso sidewalk doon dahil lahat ng Pilipino marunong lumipad. Wala kaming walk, flying kami, kala nyo. Nakalimutan ko may lula na 20. No waiting. Ang laki ng no waiting nila. O, di ba, sasakay ka lang ng bus, gamit ka pa passport.